Kia ora whānau. Welcome to the final, the National Māori Hockey Tournament Winter Finals Day here. We're with Bevan Hurry and
Bevan Taylor.
We're here to entertain you for the next little while. But the first entertainment, the final today in the Tane is Waiariki Napuna facing off Tamaki Makaurau. And as you see the pictures here, we have Ngāti Waiariki on the field and Tamaki Makaurau in blue. As we're about to have the teams challenge to each other before they take each other on the final. Waiariki, the holders of the trophy, current champs, taking on Tamaki Makaurau. There's the Tamaki Makaurau make their way onto the field. We're glad to have you with us today. The local Geeko Productions putting out this live stream. And Bev and I are pretty stoked to be happy to
Commentate for you.
Yeah, thanks for finishing that because I was struggling with my words there, Kazi.
And our officials for this game, Max Beach, Apera Akavi, and David Oakley as our third umpire.
And the great job they've done this weekend.
Yeah, lovely job by the arms.
Taking up their time to come down. It's been a fantastic weekend. We might leave you to watch this, okay? We'll be back with you in a second, whānau. Enjoy. Good stuff. Both Tamaki Makaurau and Waiariki there. And that brings us on, gets the crowd going, and we're on. Finals time.
And in Waiariki Ngāpuna, we're in 15, we have Tiraka Chase, in 12, Denham Clark, number 5, Tuatei Edmonds, number 16, Tufare Toa Hapi, number 2, Kiware Hawkins McClutchy, number 10, Vance Harvey, number 4, Connor Hedawini, number 3, Jerry Hedawini, number 8, Gregan Maui, number 9, Hoetemi Tai Ngātai, number 11, Tuterangi Raharui, Number 21, Mokonui Rangi Tauira. Number 6, Tinga Rangi Tauira. Number 7, Hayata Taylor. Number 13, Granger Church. Number 20, Keeper Felix Slime. Number 14, Matariki Bennett. And number 1, Hika Waitanahu.
Kia ora, Bev. In the Tamaki Makaurau team, we have number 1, Harley Copper on the goal. Number 15, Tane Iverson. Number 9, Hedawini Iverson. Number 23, Sam Hewitt. Number 22, Adam Banks. Number 12, Jacob Balkake. Number 8, James Hickson. Number 33, Mitchell Murray. Number 24, Jordan Thomas. Number 13, Nigel Johnson. Number 14, Dave Kasuf. Number 30, Rani Harris. Number 5, Johnny Thorne. Number 25, Quinton Smith. Number 33, Mark Kake. Number 29, Mark Balkake. Number 27, Sam Rowland. And number 111, Wiremu Kaiwai.
We're going to be in for a goodie today, whānau.
Yeah, it's going to be a cracker. These two teams, they're a path to the finals. We have Tamaki A. They first played Tamaki B, they had 8-3 win. Second game, versus Tairawhiti A. They managed to go, they got a few goals, 10-0. Quarter final, Aotea, they got up 7-0. In the semi-final, against that amazing team, Waiariki Matata, they managed to get through 4-3.
And for our Waiariki boys, first game up, Waiariki Matata, they won 2-1. Waikato B, 3-0. Quarter final time, 7-0 against Taki Timu. And then the semi-final was a win against Waikato 2-0.
Yeah, Nigel Johnson coming forward, tackle Konohira winning with the tackle there. Nigel Johnson from Tamaki Makaurau. It's Tamaki's ball. Tamaki in the blue.
Tamana on ball looking for the backs.
I think we'll see a bit of a period of them sussing each other out, looking at their systems, how they're going. And it's definitely final of these two that have been the top two performers of the tourney so far. There's intercept there. Tinga Rangatau.
Oh, they're starting with early cards, whānau.
It's a yellow card. Nigel Johnson he's been yellow carded. A rough tackle there in the middle. I think it was a jury. Was that jury?
I don't know, but I don't like the yellow card, mate. It's the final. Let's play some hockey, eh?
That's what they're going for. There was an excellent steal to create that play from Tinga Rangatau. Great skills, great vision. You've got a Ridley Wood on the side. And Hoite Mito Nato just down there. Just went over the back line. But advantage Waiariki. One man advantage for 5 minutes. There's a man Tinga again, look at those skills.
Hot knife through butter. Finds a foot.
Finds a foot. Some beautiful skills, he's working really hard. And again,
another foot.
and he's still going. Waiariki really putting the pressure on. A great ball into the circle. By Granger Church out there. Slid the ball in. As I said earlier, 5 minutes. Wairiki's got the man advantage. They'll be pushing it home. Look, they're really pushing, eh, Bev?
Yeah, they're in their faces at the moment. But I also expect Tamaki to be nice and composed for the 5 minutes as well.
Yeah, good call. Not sure what happened there, but Tamaki coming forward.
Left mate has marked early now. You're going to have to play the same way all game.
He said, welcome back if you've just joined us to Waikato Hockey Stadium. Final, National Māori Hockey Tournament, Tane Final. We've got Waiariki, Napuna in the yellow, Tamaki Makaurau in the blue. Rangatoa gets the ball, great ball. Great ball again from Tinga. What's the call there? There's Gregan. He's pulled up for pushing there. I think it was only a gentle little one, but the ref's getting on top of it early, I think, just to have a clean game. after their first yellow card. Mind you, so I forgot about that one. Tiaraka Chase on the ball. Waiariki just, holding the ball.
They're still feeling each other out, eh?
Yeah, definitely. We thought it was a bit hectic at the start. We'll just be composed. Denham Clark rolling on his player. Turnover. Is that Max Hicks coming forward for? Oh. The green card. 2 wharetoa.
This is how the game's going to go, whānau. Pushing, niggling, all of the little stuff.
Yeah, we're in finals time. There's going to be no quarter given to anybody. James Hickson with a great run for Tamaki Makaurau, and he was a sport down by 2 wharetoa happy.
That's Mitchell Murray looking.
Yeah. There's Tamaki Makaurau
Is that
circle.
Dave?
That's it. That's David Kasuf. He's a danger man.
He a danger man.
He was looking sharp out there in the semi-final yesterday, and he's back again, backing up again. Ooh. Bit of an error there from Waiariki. Yeah, they'll be looking to use Kasuf as much as they can with the Tamaki team. As he sets up his player, Tamaki's in the circle. Ooh. Umpire saying it's come off of Waiariki foot. It was a great tackle, but I didn't see the foot, sorry.
Neither did I.
Right, first corner of the game. 5 minutes into the first quarter. First penalty corner. Leave it to you, Bev. Going to do a prediction here.
He's got to be going top left, my mate. He put it at top left against me yesterday, so I expect the same thing again today.
Yeah, good call. Oh, we've got Felix, the young man, in the goal for Waiariki today. Yes, here we go. Tamaki Makaurau on the corner. Adam Banks on the ball. Out it comes. David Kasuf with the trap. Jacob Belkake with the flick to the corner. And what did you say before that, Bevan Taylor?
Top left, baby. Bring it home.
And he did it. Exactly what happened. Can't do too much about that, man. Great shot. Great execution of the whole corner.
Great execution all around.
1-0 Tamaki Makaurau in the first quarter. Tamaki had Waiariki basically had all the play. And then that's what happens in hockey. So fast, the changeover, bang. Oh, another error. You see it there. Tamaki can hear the noise pick up. They got their backs up a bit. Dave Kasuf on the ball. Oh, great shot.
Great shot.
Taimana Iverson. Ball bounced free on his reverse stick. The Waiariki boys looking a little bit stunned at the moment. He's picked that perfectly. Back into that top left again. Can't do too much about that. Waiariki would like to get this under control. Now, I'd expect Tamaki Makaurau to try and keep pushing. I feel like they've got them on the ropes a bit, 2-0.
Lovely, they're right on the ropes, my mate.
They're playing the ball forward, trying to look for the circle. I think Tamaki Makaurau's back to 11 on the field. I can't quite see, but I think they're...
Both teams are back to 11, my mate.
Yeah, they're back to 11. So 2-0 up. Tamaki. They turn over for Waiariki. Is there Moko Rangataue out there? Ooh, great ball from Moko Rangataue. And David Kasuf, not sure what there. Bit of aggressive in the tackle there. He's pushed him over, and the refs have called a PC. Rani Harris is asking the question, but it'll stand. All right, we'll see. Waiariki bounce back here, Bev.
I predict bottom right, Denham Clark, whānau.
Okay. Yeah. It's up against our old mate Harley Copper in there, playing his 200th Māori tournament, along with Dave Kasuf. But here we
I
go.
also think Harley Corper's the top goal scorer for Tamaki, my mate. Over the weekend.
Yes. Here we go. There is Harley.
That's
Shane
Harley.
Scott's down on the ground. He read it pretty clearly. Denham Clark with the flick. Harley was all over it, so we've got a long corner for Waiariki. Well executed corner,
Keep up, Nick.
but well defended as well. Waiariki going forward there, trying to find the strikers in the circle. With Matariki Bennett in there, they're trying to feed him the ball. Pressure's on. Yeah, Tinga getting stuck into Tane Final. 10 minutes gone in this first quarter, 5 minutes left. Tamaki got out to a bolter of a start. 2-0 up. There's still a long way to go. Another intercept by Tinga Rangatawea as he carries the ball forward and towards the circle. Unfortunately, just lost it at the last second. David Kasuf breaking away for Tamaki. Yeah. Time on Iverson, just a bit over enthusiastic in the tackle there, but we're going to get there all day, eh, Bev? I think they're not going to give each other.
They're not going to give any space, my mate.
Yeah. It's good to
I
see.
like that sort of hockey myself, my mate.
Yeah.
Little niggles.
Yeah, being stuck into each other. As you'd expect in the final, National Māori Hockey Tournament 2020. Just in saying that 2020, I'm just glad we're here, given the COVID year we've had. It's great to see. There's a beautiful ball by Denham Clark. Fine strike at the front. That Matariki Bennett put the ball in the circle. Is it free in the top of the circle? Whoa. Just lost a little bit of control there. It's another intercept.
That's right there on the ball working. Finds Jerry.
The ref's called there. Yeah. Saying that Jerry Hinawini's not sure. Played with the stick, not the ball. Nigel Johnson on the ball. And they've got Waiariki pressing quite hard. There we go. The experienced campaigner on the ball, Dave Kasuf. A wily campaigner. They'll look to use him a lot today. And the ball's gone through.
Look like the games have settled.
Here's James Hickson going forward. He's finding Taimane of Iverson in the middle, but there's been picked up by the Waiariki boys. So he's come screaming out of defence. Great ball forward. Is that Matariki Bennett again? Trying to get through. He's been in the amongst of it all at the start of this game, but he's managed to get the turnover. The Tootie in there. Great little turn. But Tamaki come away unscathed on the score sheet at the moment. Here we go, turnover
That's
again.
Turnover.
Waiariki looking very composed. Doesn't look like the scoreboard effect is not having an effect on them. Good ball speed shown by the boys at the back as they come forward to the circle.
Ooh.
was lucky for Johnson there. I think that foot looked like it came out of nowhere, but big ball in by Denham Clark. Waiariki pushing hard. Both teams looking very skillful out there. As Dave Kasuf breaks away. But Tamaki Makaurau, he's put a beautiful ball. Just under the stick of his winger. Waiariki in a bit of trouble there if he'd got the ball as they come breaking forward.
Finds Jerry.
Beautiful dribble by Hoiti there.
And lovely defence by Harley Kopa.
Yeah, good call there. There's Tamaki break away again. Tamaki finds the circle but cleaned up nicely by Tuwharetoa. And
Finds Connor.
Yeah. First touch of the ball, I think we haven't seen Connor get the ball yet. Has he been off? He's just come back on the field. Then to our last few seconds of the first quarter. Waiariki want to get this into the circle. He's try.
Great tackle by Rani.
Yeah, right. All right, here's the end of the first quarter final. 2-0 Tamaki Makaurau. They came out of the blocks. Even though they had a card in the first minute, but they've fought back. All right, sets us up for the next quarter. Welcome back, whānau. 10 seconds before we start the field again, take the field again. As you can see the scoreboard there, Tamaki Makaurau leading this match, the final of the National Māori Hockey Tournament, Tane. Waiariki versus Tamaki Makaurau. They're up 2-0 after the first quarter. A goal to Taimana Iverson and to Jacob Belkaki. As we're underway again. Sun shining again. The Waikato Hockey Stadium. Playing 15-minute quarters. As Moko Rangataua gets the turnover. Good steal against Tamaki Makaurau. So he comes swinging forward. It's played over the back line by Adam Banks from Tamaki Makaurau. Good dribble, good skills shown there by Moko.
Waiariki need them to come out of that circle so they can start penetrating.
Yeah.
But the smarter team will just stay too.
Yeah, it looks like you're right there. Looks like Tamaki's just sagging back. Because Waiariki has to play. Denham Clark with the intercept now, streaming forward. Circle entry. Again, Waiariki getting outcome here. Good skill shown there by Moko again. But equal defence has been very good too.
Equal defence. Another season campaigner and hoi te mi tai ngā tai.
Yeah. Showing his skills and experience just to chill on the ball, not rushing his pass or anything. Ball played in. Hold on. Another intercept.
Mitchell Murray chasing.
Advantage here for Waiariki. They've got the PC. Some awesome skills by there. It's Moko Anki. Getting the foot. Waiariki. To second corner, Bev.
Second corner of the day, my mate.
Yep. Yeah, well executed plan in the first one. Denham Clark went below, right to Harley Kopa, and he got his stick down. See what they do. I'm going to go for a combo or go high. What do you reckon, bro?
I'll give him another chance.
Yeah.
We're going top left.
Top left.
He wants that stick side.
Yeah. It's the Waiariki defender, Tamaki defenders on the line. The ball's coming out. Great shot. They were great exit. Bit of a combo there. They put it out. They found the space but couldn't find the back of the net. It's
Great
Tamaki
defense.
Makaurau. Yeah, good defense. So Tamaki Makaurau's.
Into his fast break.
Yeah. Double turnover. And another turnover. 24. Jordan Thomas is trying to find the other side of the field for Tamaki, but out the sideline. Pace of the game picking up. Denham Clark moves forward with the ball. Finds Tinga in the middle. Great skills, awesome to watch. And the pass. And another pass. And a PC. Some skills there. Tamaki defender fell over. Who was it? Yeah. There's Vance Harvey there with the skills. Tinga Nangatoa, he's owning that midfield zone. No one can touch him with his thick skills. Found a beautiful ball into the circle, and we got a PC. Right, they're setting up, so it's going to be a bit quicker. Tamaki defenders have got their gears on. Here we go. Going low again, that was easy off the line. So Quinton Smith on the line for Tamaki Makaurau. He gave the PC away, so he'd be pretty happy with himself there to redeem it. This Waiariki stream forward again. Ball in. Jury on the sideline there, waiting for the pass from Hoite. As I mentioned earlier, the sun's out again here in Hamilton. And the temperature's out, it's quite warm. This is the boys' 5th game in 3 days, so they're putting a big effort in, but the legs will be starting to tire a little bit, I imagine. And Dan Clark on the ball. Oh, beautiful ball into the middle. Oh, and a turn.
They look like they've gotten a little bit of momentum here.
Yeah. Wairiki's got all the play at the moment. Great skills again by Vance Harvey. Beautiful run. Fed the ball across the front of the goal. Someone just getting spoken to. I'm not sure what's happened there. But there's a bit of gear lying around and a few players on the ground, so something must have happened. Everyone's still smiling. Hope you're enjoying your coverage brought today by Local Gecko Productions. Fantastic. We're in a great seat. We were looking on the screen. I can see what you're seeing. Beautiful pictures coming out of here. This is Quinton Smith on the ball for Tamaki Makaurau.
Finds Gregan in the middle of the field.
Tamaki's definitely gone back to half court. They're trying to put the numbers in the back, and Waiariki, they are penetrating a lot. As Waiariki's streaming forward again. Tinga on the ball. Played in. Harley Kopa with the up. Yeah, beautiful pass in. The Waiariki putting a lot of pressure on the Tamaki defence now.
I feel like Tamaki have to go back to how they started this game, my mate.
Yeah.
I don't know why they've gone back to this half court.
Yeah. They press at the start, and they
With
pressure
beauty.
go forward. Yep. And putting the Waiariki defenders under pressure, but definitely the last 5 or so minutes has been all Waiariki streaming forward, and they're putting all the pressure on, although they have to, but we're into a corner. I think this is Wairiki's 3rd corner of the 2nd quarter. They'll want to put this one away. There we go. A bit of a mistrap, but still on for Waiariki.
And that's Harley Korpa.
Again with the save. I think both his legs were in the net. Oh, ball between the legs there by James Hickson. Some nice skills. But yeah, Harley. As I said before, in his 200th Māori tournament, I think the fella's been around forever. Putting out some mean saves. Hoite with a great tackle. A couple of turnovers there. Mitchell Murray came on, he's on. First time we've seen
He should have realised he just ran past 10 Tamaki players, so he should know somebody's open.
Yeah. Tinga, first skills on this man. Superb to watch. There's Waiariki stream forward. Searching ball. 5 minutes to go in the 2nd quarter.
Still Tamaki up 2.
Rainey Harris on the ball. He's had a good tournament. Big reach, big flicker. Loves playing.
Physical guy.
Physical guy, yeah. It's Mark Balkake joins the team. He's on the field now for Tamaki Makaurau.
Oh, that's good to see Mark out there.
Yeah. We missed him yesterday. Tackle by Gregan, got him. There's Adam Banks streaming forward there. I think it was a fair tackle from Gregan Maui. No problems there. But like most players, looks like the umpire. What's happening there? Having a bit of a laugh, so that's all good. You can just hear a call from the sideline. The coaches both yelling out talk, and we're sitting here with you, Bev. It's pretty quiet out there, eh?
It does sound quiet.
Yeah, for a final. It's
Pressure, eh?
Yep, I agree there. Bit of pressure on. He runs a little bit nervous. Is that man David Kassouf back on the field? A bit of a touch with the stick. Here he goes again. This is where he's at his sharpest. Some beautiful little passing skills. And Quinton Smith on the ball for Tamaki Makaurau.
Lovely pop over the top.
Tamaki back into the circle.
Felix pushing it out to the side.
Yeah. Well done. Tackle, Tufare Tohapi with the great tackle. Denon Clark on the ball. And unfortunately, Whanau, I can't give you number 6's name from Tamaki Makaurau. Their player, coach, manager, Nigel Johnson didn't give it to us. So I'm going to blame him. Nigel, it's your fault. We can't give big ups to your player. As Waiariki come away with the ball. A couple of minutes left to go in the 2nd quarter. Bit of a mishap by Denon Clark there. He's shrugged over his shoulders and be feeling it out there. I know he's been doing a lot of study while we've been in this tourney, hasn't he, Bev?
Yeah, no, he is still a student, that's right.
Yeah, Good
Well done
exams.
to him.
Yeah, good boys. He's been playing, study, play. So might be a little bit mentally fatigued, but I doubt it.
I highly doubt that one, my mate.
Yeah.
Final day today.
Yeah. Have you got a turnover again or a double turnover? There we go. Tuti's on the ball.
That's Mitchell Murray having a talk with the ref.
Yeah. James Hickson with the intercept. Oh, Tiiraka's got to hold him up, otherwise he's going to get on. That's nice play. James Hickson found himself in all sorts of trouble there. Okay. Tiiraka didn't just drop him on his head.
Yeah. Nice sportsmanship there, my mate.
Yeah. Oh. Into the last 40 seconds of the second quarter. We've been scoreless this quarter. Tamaki was up 2-0 from the first quarter. As Waiariki will go searching. We want to get this ball in the last few seconds. Here we go into the last 10 seconds now. Well checked by Rani Harris. And Tamaki will try and play it out. And we have. That's the end of the second quarter, whānau. There's our score, 2-0 Tamaki Makaurau over Waiariki Napuna. We'll leave you with that. We'll be back with you for the start of the third quarter.
Thank you.
Welcome back, whānau, to the Waikato Hockey Stadium. The exhilarating final of the Tane with Tamaki Makaurau, 2 goals up over Waiariki Napuna. But it's fair to say that I think Waiariki would have had the majority of that quarter in play, had all the corners, had all the shots, but Tamaki defence holding solid with Harley Kopo in the goal. I'm saying it loud because he's just a couple of metres away, but we haven't managed to get anything out of him there. But expect a pretty hectic third quarter, I imagine, Bevan. I think Wairiki's going to come out and really push to try and get back into this game, and Tamaki to try and seal it off.
Yeah, I think your predictions are right there.
And we're underway. Waiariki with the ball. 15 minutes into this third quarter, for this third quarter. Good little move. Didn't quite come off. And thank you, Nikki. Number 6 is Liam for Tamaki Makaurau. Great steal from Moko. Still strong on the ball.
Defender hustling. Putting on pressure, nice.
Yeah. Big flick there. It's James Hickson from the back, relieving the pressure. I'd just like to say again, thanks for joining us today in today's final. Hope you're enjoying it out there. Tamaki Makaurau forward. Just a bit of a push in the back there. Penalised for that. Tane Clark with the intercept. Bit of space coming out now there, Bev. I think there's a few tired legs. This ball's played into the top, but well picked up by Mitchell. Mitchell Murray there with the pick
He
up.
finds a person down the other side
Yeah.
for one-on-one.
So
Great offense.
Jordan Thomas there, the skills. Here's our number 6, Dylan. He's on the ball. Nigel, give us his name next time, cuz. Ball played around. There's Mitchell Murray on the ball. Into the circle. Little pop. It's
Fine
free.
space.
Oh, and a tackle. It's still free. And it's gone in. Is it Jacob Belkaki with the goal? This ball sort of popped out, got through a couple of defenders, and he's managed to finish it. I think it was Jacob Belkaki managed to squeeze the ball in under Felix Kreider.
Tamaki playing very well. Composed. They look like they're composed.
Very composed. 3-0. Still a lot of time to go in this game. Still 26 minutes. Tamaki lifting their talk. They'll sense they got the upper hand. Waiariki just about getting the shot away there. James Hickson there, he's been playing well, he's had a good tournament so far. Playing the back, Nigel Johnson at the back. Good touch there. He's found the insert. That'll be. Waiariki just going to try and go forward at every part, every time they get the ball by the looks of things. Unfortunately, just an error there, it's rolled out. They're putting the pressure on. And James Hickson with the big flick. Clearing defence, relieving the pressure. Just a little knock there by header winning Iverson, coming back through.
On you, Riley. Good hit, Riley.
Great ball in the circle.
Zoom in track, Riley. Swift.
What about Nigel Johnson? He's playing well this tournament too.
Yeah.
Jengas.
Yeah. No, they're really experienced Campaigners at the back, eh?
Yeah, the experienced campaigners, mate, holding it down.
Yeah. As you can see, those beautiful pictures of the sun beating down. This broadcast brought to you by local Gecko Productions. They've done a fantastic job, and thanks very much for them coming. As Vance Over makes a great intercept. As if Waiariki screaming forward. Big stick in the way there by James Hickson. Good little slide area there.
Beautiful steal.
Yeah.
It's down the wing.
And a great coming. Well tackled there.
By Tira Chase.
Yeah.
Oh, he going for a run himself.
Oh, mate, well done. He's found the foot of the Dave Kasuf. Awesome run. Did the tackle on the run. Having a crack himself. Martabi on the ball. Waiariki on the ball. Into the circle.
I think if anything's going to happen, it has to happen on by a season campaigner, my mate.
Oh, that's a big tackle there. Some great skills. Beautiful again by Greg and Maui. Some beautiful little skills there. Yeah, here we go. Here's Tane Final on the ball. All these beautiful skills as well. He possesses, but he's been dispossessed.
Mitchell Murray.
Yeah, with it. Yeah, just saying that Hoiti wasn't quite five there. Good touch there. The Moko. Great touch, Moko. Another turnover. As you can see, finally the sun's beating down here in Hamilton. Temperatures rising, I think. Nice, beautiful skills. Good.
Well defended.
Yeah. Waiariki streaming through it every opportunity now. I just think it's a matter of time before they come in. I just think there, here we go. Bit of a chance here. Ball's played and he's got time for the shot. Oh, beautiful 1-2.
Just couldn't get the connection he wanted.
Yeah, Tinga Rangatauia and Greg and Maui out there working awesome together. Managed to get the ball in the circle. He got the shot away, just unfortunately it wasn't on target. Big pressure from Waiariki there, and they have got the turnover. There's no options there for the Tamaki defender. Adam Banks there, struggling for a pass, but here we go, back into it again. Waiariki coming forward again. That's all that's probably they can do. Looking for that goal, looking for something to get back into this game. The ball goes flying to the stands of Mark Balkaki's stick. It's in the circle there.
That's hard.
Copper. Here you go. He's been on top of everything today, eh, Bev?
Harley Copper, what can I say?
Yeah.
200 Māori tournaments, like our man says. He knows all the tricks in the book.
Waiariki still streaming forward.
Raniera, lovely tackle.
Jury hit when he was injured, but he's all right. He's up on his feet again. There's Waiariki coming forward again. They were looking, hunting. And picked off there by Dave Kasuf. tackle. Great tackle, boy. Hoite. On that, and Banks did a big run from at the back there.
Oh, is that Sammy Hewitt? He's out here, eh?
Yeah, is he back out? He's out there? He's dangerous, he'll be... Oh, he's off. Yeah, 4 minutes to go in this third quarter. A beautiful roll by Devin Clark. Is it coming forward again?
Well done on time, man. I don't know why the ref called it here. I only seen stick.
Got a lying roll around play. As the ball comes into the circle again. He's saying, ball's against the ball into the circle, saying it's high. I think Waiariki looking for someone to spark something for them. I think Tamaki's just happy to kick back now. Well, there we go.
Let the clock do some work.
Yeah, that's the one. And that man, this man will never stop. What a beautiful ball in.
There it is, Fano. Waiariki finally scored their goal.
3-1. Aharuhi with a beautiful reverse stick strike into the goal. Beautiful pickup, build up balls.
Here we go, we've got to see energy from both teams now.
That could be the spark. Here we go. Some beautiful skills shown there by James Sixton. He's found Mark Balkake.
Tamaki don't want to deal with
Dylan's on the post. Wow!
Ooh.
That passage of play, as you all saw. Dylan was wide open on the left there. Had beaten the keeper. And then Jordan Thomas on the board in front of the goal just sliced the ball. Lucky for Waiariki, unlucky for Tamaki Makaurau. It's been here, Harley Cooper here. We're just standing behind the goal. Just telling his player, just take it slow things down. We're up 3-1. And trying to use all the experience here. And it's beating, the sun's beating down now, as you can see. The crowd enjoying the sun. Everyone's got their sun hat and sunblock on. Beautiful day in Hamilton. And a good pick there. Double tackle there, and Langataua is going forward again with the ball. Waiariki streaming forward.
There's a foot
Yeah.
and a PC.
Waiariki streaming forward now. The Tamaki players are not happy. They're questioning the umpire, just asking what's going on. But it was quite clear that was off a foot. Yeah, there was some harsh tackling at the leading up to that play, but beautiful ball. Waiariki still going through with confidence. This is their first corner of the third quarter. We have 50 seconds remaining. Waiariki taking their time. Might make this the last play. How important do you reckon to score this one is, bro?
Yeah, it would swing momentum going into their fourth if they can score this one, but I don't think it's necessary.
Yeah.
But it will change momentum, I feel.
Yeah. Hiraka chase on the ball. A bit of a mistrap, but the ball's still there. Mistrap there by
And that's a
Waiariki.
turnover.
There's 18 seconds left. Tamaki, no rush to play this.
Yeah. I don't think you can have mistakes like that going into final. Those are big mistakes.
Yep, big call. Massive at the time. Oh, bit of a push there. But yeah, an error like that right on that stroke. Is Jordan.
It's not like rugby, you won't get it.
Jordan Thomas hit the ball over the sideline. There we are, the third quarter. Waiariki brought one goal back, 3-1. We'll be back with you in a minute, whānau, for the last quarter of the men's final National Māori Hockey Tournament. Welcome back to the Waikato Hockey Stadium.
15 my left.
Kia whanau, in the final we have Waiariki and Tamaki versus Tamaki Makaurau. Tamaki Makaurau up 3-1.
Last quarter, 15 minutes of the tournament left for these two teams. The sun's beating down. Waiariki had started getting the advantage in that last quarter. They got themselves back on the score sheet. Let's see how we go. 15 minutes left. And basically for the end of the season, I think, too, AB. This is that's it, eh?
I think that's how we wrap it up.
Yep. Great pull through. This Waiariki starting off where they left off. Creaking my way into the circle. Beautiful play. Basically left off where they started where they left off at the end of the quarter. Waiariki back on the corner situation. They want a better return from that from this than the last one they had.
No, this is a PC I think matters, mate.
Yeah, I think so. I think Tamaki's starting to feel the pinch. You can see some of their players looking around. Bit of stress, bit of pressure. Waiariki's getting a bit of a swagger on. And that's come off the body of the Tamaki player, yep.
Right
That's
on
what the boys
the
were going, yep. Beautiful combo. They got it. Free to the man. Tootie was there. He was trying to go high, but Harley, I think he read it. He normally goes down, but he had it. Anyway, then the defender fell over in front of him, so the ball's off the body. Another PC reward for Waiariki. Here we go. See what they got this time, maybe.
I think he just needs to flick it, mate.
He was open, just the execution wasn't quite there. But I tend to agree with you these moments, eh? Sometimes this goes straight, but that was well worked.
Well worked.
Just couldn't quite execute it.
And now we have Tamaki on the other end.
Beauty of our sport. 1 second you're under the pump, next thing you're having a crack. And James Hickson on the ball, he's been playing very well. He's got some nice skills, but well defended as well. A great tackle there, Denham Clark. On header winning Iverson. James Hickson come forward again. Yeah, he's lost the ball. Oh, the umpire's got something to say here.
I think he needs to let them play a little bit of hockey, but
Yeah, don't get too involved. They've been not too bad.
yeah, since his first card.
Yeah, since the first one, the very first minute, everyone's been good. But just asking for calm in the last quarter. 12 minutes left on the clock for the season. Good steal there. Beautiful steal and good skills to get the free hit. Mitchell Murray just had for him, just a bit of an error. He doesn't really make any. Uncharacteristic. And Waiariki's got the free hit here. And Johnson just knocks it out of there. Waiariki streaming forward. Tamaki Makaurau's got their whole team back inside the 25 in that situation, and Waiariki's basically got their whole team up there as well, so not a lot of space. Good deception there, shown there by Tuwharetoa. Oh, yep. That's a corner.
Oh, please, yeah.
And he's been given a green card. That's Jacob Belkake. He has to sit on the bench for a couple of minutes. That's just for the tackle inside the 25. He missed the ball and got the stick of the ref is saying. The Auckland boys, the Tamaki Makaurau boys are questioning it.
Fair question, that.
Yeah. Not too much to question. It was a
hack.
It was a hack, yeah. How's it go? Tamaki Waiariki into their third corner for this quarter. Powerful flick, the bottom left by Tūwharetoa Happy. Has just missed the goal. That's 5 minutes gone. 10 minutes to go on this match. Subs coming thick and fast now, as we said earlier. The teams, both, this is their 5th game in 3 days. There's been some tight battles.
Leagues will definitely be feeling it now.
Yeah. There we go. It's Wairiki's coming forward. It's gone quiet out on the pitch again. Everyone's feeling a bit nervous, I think. Well, then Hardy starts yelling, so it's trying to pump his boys up. Tamaki Makaurau boys. Grange Church comes forward. Well kept in there. Solid tackle, trying to get the turnover.
I think Davey will put himself into this game now.
Yeah.
This last 10 minutes. Start controlling it for Tamaki.
Yeah, you'd probably look to give him the ball, he'd dribble it, get the players running. He's put himself in the back there in the midfield. Yeah, exactly. You've got to call it Bev, look, picked it like a dirty nose. He's going to be in there.
Are you going to be in everything for this last 10 minutes?
Yeah. It's a lifted ball. It's gone up and hit the body. Vance Harvey as he's...
And if Waiariki won it, now was the time.
Yeah.
Here we go. Tinga's inserted himself in the last 7 minutes too.
Yeah. Now we're looking forward to him. He can create something. He can spark something with his skills. Yeah, there'll be Tamaki. Just pushing it out. There's a lot of experience shown, some very good players. As both teams have, and they got the upper hand, so they'll be just willing to run that clock down. Nice move. Beautiful ball in. Waiariki right after. Tiraka got all the way in from the right of the back there into the circle.
Yeah, I was just about to ask you what he was doing up there, my mate.
Yeah. But like you, Bev, get in there, go fly it in, you need a goal. He's the same mindset as you. Well, I'm going to go up there and have a hoon. So it's good to see him up there. Just about got it on the end of it. Yeah, the Waiariki. Tane really putting the pressure on. And some skills there, Sean, by Hiruini Iverson, and it's been...
Goalie pushed it into his own player's foot.
Yep, he's knocked it back into his foot. That's why there's a PC. Oh, that's not Hiruini, sorry. That was Jordan Thomas up there, forcing the mistake. Yeah, Tamaki's turn. This is the first corner. It's basically the second attack that they've had in this quarter. In this last quarter.
Who's got a lightning fast?
It's Gregor Moe got up there.
Jingus.
Phew. Flew out. Shut that play down as Waiariki comes streaming forward.
There's Rani with the lovely tackle and the lovely foot. Yep. Tamaki will start holding the ball at the back.
Yeah, no pressure on them on the scoreboard wise. I mean, there's pressure from Waiariki, but
And Waiariki will be trying to push forward here.
yeah. Here they come streaming forward. There's that man, magic stick.
Got
Oh,
him.
he's found the penalty, yep. He's knocked it on to the player's foot, James Hickson's foot. Bartavy with the beautiful skills coming through there. Seems like every time Tinga touches the ball, it comes in, comes
I
good,
ain't gonna
David.
lie, I feel like that hit his hand.
Oh, yeah, you reckon? Good call,
Yeah.
yep.
I feel like that hit his hand. I don't think this is the right call here. So if
Yeah,
Waiariki can score here, it'll be lovely.
yep, it's a big game on. We're into the last 4 minutes, as you can see. Here we go, lining up. With 2 flickers up there.
Can they take the given?
Chase on the drag out. There
he
we
does.
go. In she goes. Denham Clark, the flick from the top. Here we go. Game on.
We're in for a game, Fano.
3 minutes later. This is going to be hectic.
They're going to be hit.
Hold on to your seats.
Let's go, Davey will do what he does.
Yeah, you're right. He's backed himself in the middle there. You can hear Lani Harris screaming for Tamaki Makaurau. Half court, get your players out. He just wants to defend.
Great call by him, I think.
Waiariki and Napuna just got to go. It's nothing to lose now.
On you, Riley. Welcome, son.
It's Mitchell Murray with the defence. Into the corner.
Tinga's managed to get a turnover. Oh, is it saying? He's asking the ref a question. It's a long corner.
Tinga argued and got the ball.
Yeah. Hold on. Yep. It's still a long corner. That's going to count. There you go.
Oh,
Oh, it's a big whistle from the umpire. I'm just looking at him. I'm looking. He's gone to his pocket.
he's going to his... Don't...
He's pulled the yellow card.
Oh! This is Bevan Taylor. I'm not a fan. Not a fan of that call, mate. We're in the final playing real hockey. The PC's enough.
Yeah. 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 The Jordan Thomas. Overzealous in the tackle. PC's been given. 1 minute 22. The pressure's on everybody here. The umpire, the players, the
You've got
goalies.
to say this could be the last chance or one of the last chances they have.
Yeah. Stefano, that's come off. You haven't got the replay, but the flick's gone. It's come off a Tamaki stick and it's hit a player who was behind Harley Kopa, the goalie. So if you're the last line of defence and you're not a goalie, hits your body. It's a stroke. Tutarangi, Rahauru, he's stepping up for the attacking penalty stroke. We'll let you just watch this. We're right behind the goal. And that's been saved by
That's
Harley.
been saved by Harley.
Look at the emotion. That's what it means to him. That's what it means to him. The clock's still counting down. There's 10 seconds left. And the crowd, the clock's counting down still.
And
Oh, should we stop time? Yeah, sorry. Sorry. There's still got 50 seconds left. Sorry, Fano. I got that wrong. So there's still 50 seconds left to play. 50 seconds left to play here. It's up there now. As James Hickson tries to flick it out of anywhere. Waiariki, this is their last chance now. Beautiful six skill shown there. Oh, it's all on here.
he's being tough.
But on. Kasuf questioning the call. Was it a corner being given? Is that right, Bevan?
It's a corner, mate.
The time's
On
up
the
on the
final.
clock. I didn't see it, sorry. I was too excited looking around at the...
Can we try and catch what Dave's saying to the ref?
Yeah, I'd love to have... It's just... That's it. Time's up. Fano. He's just not happy with the call. Again, I have to apologise, everybody. I wasn't quite watching what was going on the play. I think it was a bad tackle. And you might be able to hear the spectators surround us. I think they saw what happened. There we go. Big moment. Massive moment. The Waiariki players, wildest celebrations. The wildest celebrations. I don't know if you can hear out there, but they've got the draw, but we have to go to a shootout. Yep. Jamie Carroll, the Waiariki coach, urging his players to get off the sideline and just think about the next 5 minutes. The Tamaki players are not happy with what's happened. So it's the end of the regulation time, everybody. Stay tuned. Welcome back to our commentary. Here we go. We're into a shootout. It was 3-3 at the end of regulation time. These beautiful images shown by local Gecko Productions. We've got Tamaki Makaurau taking the first of the shootout. Adam Banks, we've got 5 in each team. They've got 8 seconds in the circle to score. From when the whistle goes to the hooter. Ball has to go across the line. First up for Tamaki Makaurau, Adam Banks. Felix Simon, the goal for Waiariki. Go up to 0-0, please. 0. Oh, sorry. 0. First one, Adam Banks couldn't quite get it. Great hustle from Felix Syme.
Up next from Waiariki is Haeta Taylor versus Harley Kopa.
Great hustle.
defence.
Harley Kopa was just about there. So I think there, the pressure's on everyone. The atmosphere at the ground is electric. Felix is in the goal. And we've got Jacob Balkake. He's lining up. Felix Syme with another good save. He read him on the reverse stick. He kept upright. He's pumped. The crowd's pumped.
That goalie is pumped.
He is pumped. Still 0-0.
Up next from Waiariki is Denham Clark. That's Harley Kopa, baby.
Can feel the pressure there. The goalkeepers are really manning up. I kind of feel it's a little bit an advantage of the goalkeeper, but that's just because I never got one of these in my life.
It's got to be, eh?
Yeah, all right, it's hard. Here we go. Felix Syme had that covered.
These two goalies have come here to play some hockey, baby.
James Hickson he's had an amazing game. He's beautiful skills. But the goalies, they're just fronting up now.
Up next is Tiraka Chase. These goalies today.
Yeah. Harley's just fixing the sick, but yeah, the goalie's on, the pressure's on. Just missed there from Tiraka Chase. Felix Syme back in the goal. Well, Mitchell Murray lining up.
Shout out to Mitch for finally making it here to Māori's tournament.
And again,
These goalies, man.
the goalie's all over.
Are they getting paid?
Mitch, another one. The pressure's on. You can feel it out here.
I've got to say, the first team to score, I think, is the team, my mate.
Yeah, we agree here, brother. Vince Harvey's up. And again, the goalies with the sticks. The goalies with the sticks in the air. Stepping up now. Jordan Thomas, Tamaki Makaurau.
If we don't score here, we will be going to sudden deaths, our two last players.
That's right. These keepers are pumped. The crowd's pumped. Everybody's going crazy for it.
Are we going to see a clean sweep by the keepers here?
And up steps. Crowd's going crazy here at the ground.
The last penalty taker here for Waiariki is Hoite Mitai Ngātai. This is Harley Kopa. And that's it, ladies and gentlemen. We're going to sudden death.
So close. He had managed to beat Harley for the first time in this entire tournament. I don't think anyone's beaten Harley and just couldn't finish it.
That's Harley, mate. When he in that goal, he's got that presence.
Here we go. Into sudden death, whānau. Here we go.
See an open goal, can't put it in there.
Can feel the pressure and the tension. Van Savi's up here for Waiariki.
If Waiariki score, Tamaki have to score. We are in sudden death now, whānau.
That's that presence you're talking about.
Tamaki can win it.
Sudden death. And to step up. Got Mitchell Murray, Tamaki Makaurau. And Felix Tane. Hold your breath, whānau. And a tackle anybody off.
These goalies
It's it.
are incredible.
6 shots, no goals.
I have never seen anything like it.
This is crazy. And now everyone's silent. This is the tensions there.
And now
Hoite, Mito,
Hoite.
Naiti.
Harley Copper.
Yeah, Harley
That's
working incredibly hard just to stay in front of Hoite there. He's never got no quarter. There's nothing given here. Again, game's on the line every time. Got Jordan Thomas stepping up for Tamaki Makaurau. Felix Simon the goal for Waiariki Napuna.
And that's the
And that's
game, ladies and gentlemen.
There we go. Tamaki Makaurau have got it. And see the two teams.
Nah, that's game.
We're going to get out on the field and see if we can have a chat to some of these players. So keep watching. That was epic. I think you'll all agree with that. Keep the comments coming. Congratulations, Tamaki. Oh, unlucky. Waiariki Napuna. We'll just look to you, Alex. Probably you can hear us anyway, eh? Have a chat. Mate, today, how was it out there today?
Yeah, no, it was pretty hot down here in Hamilton. Good fight from the boys, and yeah, no, it's good to get the win overall.
Yeah.
Probably didn't have to go to shootouts, but it's the way it goes sometimes.
Yeah, it was epic for us to watch on the sidelines, 3-0 up by you boys before half-time, but Waiariki didn't go away, did they?
No, they were always in our back pocket and kept on pushing, and yeah, I guess we're just lucky on the end to get the result.
Yeah, it was a pretty epic finish. The last corner, the stroke that bit, and do you think you were through, and then they got the PC, what was happening then?
Yeah, I don't know, it looked a bit tight there. Definitely could have gone either way, and so yeah, 100% they could have taken us either way. So it's good to get the win overall.
Do you mind that tension in the shootout? Could do without it, I don't know, but was it good fun?
I wouldn't call it fun, but no, it's good once you get the win. Good scoring.
Yeah.
Yeah,
All right,
happy
good.
for the boys.
Cheers, go and celebrate with the team. Well done, brother.
Thank you.
Sorry, Whānau, we're getting kicked off by the proper TV channel. But we'll get back in there in a second, eh? Just right. All right. Again, thanks for tuning in today. I hope you've enjoyed this from Local Gecko Productions. Thanks for coming. And
We'll see you fellas next year.
we'll see you fellas next year. All the best. Thanks.